Good evening, everyone, and welcome to another parent chat. I am Anise Benjamin, the Family Engagement Specialist here at the Early Learning Coalition of Palm Beach County. I want to thank you all for joining us tonight. And on tonight's parent chat, we're going to be discussing VPK, and we're going to be talking about what eligibility requirements are there, what documents you need, and where to apply. On Tuesday, we discussed the benefits of enrolling in VPK. So we hope that encouraged you to look into VPK a little bit further and to look into ways that you can enroll your child. Well, this video will hopefully do the same thing. We want to encourage parents to go ahead, if their child is going to be before or on September the 1st, to go ahead and apply for VPK. I'm going to go ahead and give you a few seconds to share this video with parents, and while you're doing that, I'm going to go ahead and share my screen to start the presentation. Okay, so hopefully you guys shared the video. Let's get right into the presentation. So what is VPK? What is this all about? What does VPK stand for? Well, VPK is a voluntary pre-kindergarten program. It is a free high-quality education program for 4-year-olds living in Florida. And this program is here to prepare your child for success in school and in life. So some of the questions that we get a lot is, what are the eligibility requirements for VPK? Well, you must live in Florida and your child must be 4 years old on or before September the 1st of the current year to be eligible. Another question that we get is, what do I need? What documents do I need? Well, you need proof of child's age, which could be the child's birth certificate, immunization shot records, or passport. Another document that you need is proof of Florida residency, which could be your Florida driver's license, your pay stubs, or your utility bill. And what are the VPK program options? Well, we have 3. We have the VPK school year program, which is 540 instructional hours. We have the VPK summer program, which is 300 instructional hours. And we have the specialized instructional service program, and the hours vary based on services provided. Now, the question that we get the most is, how do I apply for VPK? Well, you can apply online. The application is online based, and you could do this from a computer, you could do this from a mobile phone or digital device by visiting www.ELCPBC.org. And for any questions in regards of how to apply a little bit deeper, or any questions with your application, you can call us at 561-514-3300. So hopefully that helped. Hopefully that gave you the guidance that you need, that encouragement that you need to go ahead and enroll your child in the VPK program. Once again, if you have any questions, you can always go to our website, www.elcpbc.org, or you can contact us at 561-514-3300. And we always post content and resources on all our social media platforms, so you can go ahead and see any information on there as well. Hopefully I see you guys next time, and have a nice day.